SPCA Health Insurance. My name is Tiffany.
The Hartville Group is the second largest insurer of dogs and cats in the United States. We provide health insurance for dogs and cats.
It's very laid back. You can bring your dogs to work every day, and we all are very passionate about what we do. We love pets. We're committed to serving the customers, and it's great because our leadership feels the same way. There's just so many great things about working here.
All these pets are customers' pets that, now there's hundreds more pictures around, but these are the ones that I've kept on my walls.
Our call center, employee-wise, is approximately 80 staff members. That's the largest area of our business. We had been through two different call center systems. One was an old-fashioned analog system. It didn't suit our needs, and it wasn't scalable. It wasn't something that was going to grow with our business.
It is definitely very important when you have a customer, whether they've lost a pet or they're upset, that you have that good communication. There's nothing worse than when someone's upset to be going, "I'm sorry, I can't hear you," because the line's fuzzy, or dropping and having to call them back.
Let's face it, when you're a small to medium-sized business and you're placing a phone system, there's no do-overs. Here at Hartville, we wanted to make sure that we got the right system for us.
i3 is actually the third phone system that I have got to experience here, and I can tell you by far it is the best phone system, not only for the ease of use for the employees. The training was fabulous. We don't have the problems that we used to with the dropped calls and the difficulty transferring. We can get just about any kind of report that we need.
One nice thing about it is that it's fully customizable. So I can have my sales calls in one queue on this side, service calls on this side.
On the old system, I was constantly trying to yell to be heard, and this is the first system where I'm clearly heard. People understand me, I can talk to them. I sound like I'm talking face to face to them, and in the end that makes a better call for the customer.
In any situation where you have a large-scale implementation, there's going to be hiccups, there's going to be issues, and the real test of the mettle of a vendor is how they respond to it and how they work with you.
The past phone systems that we used, they actually just trained like one or two people in our IT department and left it up to them to kind of roll it out to everyone, and there was no one on site to take questions, and they supplied an 800 number, of course, and you can put in your ticket and wait for someone to call you back, which I understand that, but when it shuts a business down, you can't do that.
We never felt abandoned by G3. They were with us every step of the way. The night we went live and the next morning in the call center, they were here and ready to work and deal with any issues that came up.
It was really nice because you actually had people here that stayed here in case we had questions, which is amazing. Nobody does that.
A phone system has to be something that's long-term. It's not something that you're going to use for 3 years and then throw away and get a new one. And so I really see that i3 as a software, and specifically G3 as a vendor, being critical to our current and future success.